You can talk.
You want me to go stand in it?
Yeah, here we are. This is early February, and this is another big snow we've had this year. I'm trying to stay out of the snow, but
want me to go stand in it?
yeah, let's have Melissa go stand in it.
Where we haven't shoveled?
You can see where we're getting snow all over this. We haven't shoveled yet. See, it's
Up to my knees.
up to above her knees. Maggie she can barely get around. She can only go in the areas where there's a path. Holy cow! It covers her up.
Maggie can't even walk.
No.
Come on, Meg.
Yeah, she'll only be able to follow you because she can't go anywhere else. You can see we just shoveled this. We shoveled this earlier, and
Good girl. Come on. Ooh. Come on, Maggie. Good girl. We already shoveled today.
yeah, we already shoveled a little bit. You can see here.
It's cold.
It's already up to Maggie's stomach, basically. She can barely walk through.
Well, it's still Saturday, and as you can see, it's still snowing. Still coming down pretty good. Mark's been out there with Harold trying to get some areas cleared off. You can tell they haven't gotten much done, but it's more than they got done if they were just shoveling. It's pretty deep out there. That snow's pretty wet, but they're doing a good job. I think it's going to be a while before our driveway will be clear, that's for sure. So, but as you can see, it's still coming down pretty good. So it's going on probably about 11 o'clock or so, and it's still snowing pretty hard. I think the storm watch goes into effect until about 10 o'clock tonight, so expect about another 10 inches. Can't really, you can see one of the cars, it's how much snow is piled up there. Or, don't know if you'll be able to see her. Bushes are pretty packed with snow too, so it's definitely coming down, that's for sure. I can't see them, there they are. So, as the storm turns,